Our high today has been 22, I think. It's been like that all week. It's been way too cold to finish painting this. So we're just gonna get Christmas up, man. Come on. We gotta get Christmas up, right? So we're gonna go ahead and take this back to the house, cut our hole in the very middle, along with attaching our base, and we'll get it all drilled and cut and get it hooked onto the tree. Yeah, let's get our tree up, man. Come on, it's like middle of December and we still don't have our tree up. All right, so let's go do that.
Friend, every day, every person is count. See? This is my brother helicopter, like a bus copter. A bus copter means not silly. That's right. That's for the helicopter. My mother got me the Ceratops. My mother got us to me.
Now the funny part about this next part is when I put everything in before actually screwing everything down, it fit perfect. But when you're working with multiple different trees that have basically been Mod Podge together against their will, there are complications when you start cinching things up. This proved to be far more difficult, time-consuming, and frustrating than I really care to admit. In fact, I think next year when I put this tree back up, this bottom pipe will be completely changed out for a different one because it was nothing but a fight and a nightmare the entire time. My sweet kids are so much help. Now to get our temporary cover on the top, since I wasn't able to get this painted, and yeah, I may have forgotten to order a few things in. From the very beginning, I planned on cutting this pipe down to size. But after getting it up there, I may have possibly changed my mind. So instead of cutting the pipe, I reattached one of my old limb brackets that I had fixed up the year before and put it on the pipe to bring branches down even more.
Hi, puppies.
Now, trying to get anything accomplished when you've got kids and animals in the house with you at the same time always makes it a huge challenge, and you automatically have to assume it's going to take 3, 4, maybe even 5 times longer than it would have in other cases. But it makes it a lot more fun when you do have company around. The best part is I have someone to talk to besides just myself. Now, let's actually get our platform attached to the base so that it doesn't wobble all over as the train goes around. Yeah, because that won't work, right? Yeah, I know. It's snow blanket, right? I forgot to order one.
I know the home is a bedroom. But it's almost like
No, Glennon.
right?
Yes, Glennon.
That's what I'm supposed to do. Look, something.
Shall we hook up part of the train? Because we still got to decorate the tree, huh? There, well, maybe we'll go ahead and put the whole train on. We'll just take it back off. Okay?
Okay.
One thing at a time, my love.
Okay.
This train takes some time to put on the tracks.
Oh.
Woo! Ropes in the way. Hey, well, oh. It's stuck. Oh no, it's wobbling again. Oh. The ropes are in the way. We've got to get rid of all this stuff.
Alright. I know. Ready?
Hey. Al. Rope.
doing this.
Now we gotta put the actual tree together. Now, I didn't actually finish this. I don't have my rope that goes on the outside edge of this. And we don't have our snow blanket. So all this area inside, we're gonna fill up with some little Christmas villages that we will be making, but not quite yet. So we will keep you informed on those as those come to life over the next year, or who knows how long it'll take. Handcrafting each one takes a long time, but it makes it extra special. See you guys.
Hi.
Now, what you don't see in this is this build project actually took about another 2 hours before we finally got everything fitted up tight. But you know what? In the end, I think this looks beautiful.
I love comment.
You love comment.